Alright, so I've had to change my caliper a few times because it got stuck. What caused it to get stuck is a bad hose. See, it's not even dripping. Totally unhooked. So this hose has collapsed somewhere. You'll unfasten it here, but first, unfasten it here. This is where it originally would be hooked up at, but I had to change it out. Like I said, it's messed up everything, so yeehaw. We'll put a new one on. Alright, so they've got the brake line, you know, it hooks in here, goes around. There'll be a bolt right here that you'll have to take off. Bolt right here you'll have to take off. It's best to break this loose first. Then once you get it broke loose, take that bolt out. It makes it a whole lot easier. So we're going to put the new one on real quick. Alright, see, this is a little clip. It was right in here holding this together. All you got to do, put your screwdriver in behind that, pop that bad boy out. Alright, so we got the new one in. Right through there. Got her bolted down there. Attached there. And to our brake caliper. Next you have to take this guy off. Some people hook a hose to it. There's different methods, but you got to get all the air out of your line. So that'd be a different video. Hope this helps.